The rumours were true. Aeroo's delivered again with a new game changer. The all new Smart Controller. Have a go at this. No need for a phone anymore. Just charges on USB-C. And we're going to be ready to rock and roll in pretty much a minute. So it's super cool. You get this wicked lanyard, go around your neck, and there's the little controller knobs. These just pop straight out. Screw them in and you're away. Really easy to learn in. Press a little button so you get flash and green, and then hold down the home and the release key. So you should get about 6 hours worth of consecutive use. Just charges via USB-C. Aeroo recommends a PD 2.0 27 watt plus charger. I just use the old iPhone 15 or 16 USB charger. Works like a treat. $2000 nits screen means it's going to be really high brightness and easy to see in the highest of sunlight. You can also just connect to your phone for Wi-Fi access point if required. Straightforward. Let's get a big bait out there. You can obviously set our drop points and waypoints just like before. No problem at all, mate. Everything's exactly the same. Any issues or if you need any help, you know where to go. Alrighty, we can select our drop point. Let's go. Looking fantastic. Camera sharp, clear. Water's a bit murky, that's for sure. Usual for this time of year. Alright, we're at our drop point. Same release as normal. Bang. There she goes. Can't really see it here, the water's a bit murky. But look at this new feature we've got. Zoom right in, baby. Wow, just on your right scroll wheel. But it's going to help us a lot come summer. Let's return to home. Have a go at the clarity of this screen. Wow, I'm happy with that. No more phone required. Your little ripper. So you're going to need to do a firmware update once you get hold of this. So just hook it up to your home Wi-Fi or on your mobile hotspot. Get it all done. No dramas, mate. Best of luck out there with the new Smart Controller. We've got it sussed now. Let's catch some fish. Cheers for tuning in.